Hello everyone, Andy here with Carpet Renovations of Tulsa. Here's how we clean entryway floor mats for commercial facilities. So first we have Matthew here, he's applying the pre-spray. This breaks down the dirt at a molecular level, getting it prepped for this brushing process here. So you see David working in the machine. This right here is helping prep the surface, lifting all of that dirt that's within the fibers and into the carpet backing. And really getting a good deep clean, because we know that with commercial facilities, especially these entry mats, they're going to see a ton of foot traffic. So we really have to emphasize this brushing process to loosen up all of that dirt. And then we just wrap up the process with the hot water steam extraction. We found that this is the best method with over 36 years of experience to get a good deep clean. So doing some extra dry passes here, then right there doing an extra flush to get that stain out, and then making sure everything is good and dry before putting it back out in the facility. So here's the final look, and yeah, if you have any questions, just leave a comment, and thanks for watching.